Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the file and environment. Open the workbook, but do not click Enable Content, and save a backup copy immediately to avoid running unknown code. Next, go to File Info to view the protected view and macro prompts so you can act without surprises. Once done, make sure you can access Excel options. If you lack admin rights, pause and request permission, because the steps that follow change Trust Center settings and macro behavior at application level. You now change Trust Center settings to stop Enable Content prompts from causing harm while keeping control. Go to File Options, Trust Center settings, and choose Protected View and Macro settings deliberately. Set macros to disable all macros with notification so you see prompts, but they don't run automatically. Also, uncheck Trusted Documents Auto-Enable if you want repeated prompts for new files. After adjusting, click OK and restart Excel to ensure the new policies take effect. You finish by verifying behavior and applying safe exceptions. Reopen the workbook and confirm macros are disabled unless you explicitly enable them. For files you trust, use a digital signature or add the folder to trusted locations so Enable Content won't appear for approved files. If something goes wrong, Excel still enabling content or refusing to open files, reset Trust Center settings to default, check group policy overrides, or run office repair. That troubleshooting step solves most persistent Enable Content issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.